Hey everyone, how is it going? Is your Windows 11 brightness not working? Maybe the brightness slider is missing, stuck, or changing the brightness doesn't do anything at all. Don't worry, today I'll show you a few simple fixes that can solve this problem. So let's get started. First, try the easiest solution. Just simply restart your PC. Sometimes Windows services fail to load properly and a simple restart fixes that issue. If the problem is still there, let's move to the first fix. Right click into the Start button and click on Device Manager. Then expand the monitors, right click to the driver, then enable device. If it's already enabled, choose Update Driver. Now click on search automatically for the folders and the base driver for your device are already installed. If it does, then simply check your brightness right now. If it's come, now check if brightness control are working. Still not fixed? Let's try the second solution. In Device Manager, expand Display Adapters. Then right click your graphics driver and select Update Driver. An outdated or corrupted graphics driver is one of the most common causes of brightness issues in Windows 11. If updating doesn't help, try to uninstall device, then restart your PC. Windows will automatically reinstall the driver. Now let's move on to the third fix. Simply open your settings, check System, click on System, then click on Display and click on Night Light. Click on that. You can see there is an option called Strength. You can simply choose your brightness level. You can see you can simply turn it on or turn it low as you want, or many manufacturers specific display features are not causing conflicts, so turn them off or temporary and test the brightness control again. Still having trouble? Let's run the Windows Troubleshooter. Go to Settings, go to System, scroll down, go to Troubleshoot, click on Other Troubleshoot and find Power. If you find power, then simply run it and Windows will check for common display and power related issues automatically. And here's the one final fix. You can simply press Windows plus X and then open Terminal. This one, Terminal Admin. Click yes. And then we can type here sfc space /scan now and then click enter. This will scan and repair corrupted Windows system files that may be affecting display controls. Once the scan is complete, restart your computer and that's it. In most cases, one of these fixes will restore brightness controls and get your screen brightness working normally again. Thanks for watching until the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I hope to see you for another videos. Till then, goodbye.